Hey everybody, Steve Richmond here from MarineMax Panama City Beach, live via satellite, coming to you to talk to you about the 210 Montauk. This boat's been redesigned from the keel up by Boston Whaler, who happens to have the largest R&D department in the entire boating world, so that's awesome. Comes with a really cool Mercury Pro 200 Verado, supercharged, so quiet you can barely hear it run at idle. It's great. Come on aboard. This is the unsinkable Legend, by the way, still. You've got a rear seat here for passengers. This cushion comes out if you don't want it, if it's in the way for fishing. You've got a live well underneath the seat. The captain wants to join the party, he can like that. The controls with the 200 are all digital, very, very smooth. You've got room for a flush mount screen here, fish finder, whatever. Stainless steel steering wheel, fusion stereo, and you've got room for a head in the console, or just tons of storage. The head is optional. Up front, you've got the cushion package for your passengers. Makes it real nice. You got passengers that want to hang out and have fun. You can fish the back while they're up here. Huge fish box, nice cooler, more rod holders. Plus the ones that are in the T-top. This one happens to have the canvas T-top. But a great boat, a great Legend, and you're welcome to come out and check it out. My name's Steve. Come see me. MarineMax Panama City Beach. And my phone number is 850-358-0908. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.